Good afternoon. I need to buy several things today.
Good afternoon. Sure, take your time. Tell me what you're looking for.
First, do you have fresh bread today?
Yes, we received fresh stock in the morning. White, brown, and multigrain are available.
Hmm, let me check. Actually, give me a packet of multigrain bread.
All right, here it is.
This looks good. I also need milk. Do you have 1 liter packs?
Yes, we have 1 liter, half liter, and 200 milliliter packs. Full cream, toned and skimmed.
I'll take 1 liter full cream, please. Here you go. Thank you. How much are these eggs?
They're 60 rupees per dozen and 32 rupees for half dozen.
All right, give me 1 dozen. Please pack them safely. Of course, I'll pack them in a separate tray. Do you have butter?
Yes, both salted and unsalted, small, medium, and big packs.
I want unsalted butter. Give me a medium pack.
Sure, here it is.
Do you have cheese slices?
Yes, multiple brands. This one is the most popular.
Okay, I'll take this one now. Do you have whole wheat biscuits?
Yes, these two brands are here.
Let me check the ingredients. Okay, I'll take one packet. Do you have any sugar-free biscuits?
Yes, only this brand.
All right, give me one pack of that too. I also need a small bottle of cold drink. Do you have a 300 milliliter bottle?
Yes, 300 milliliters and 500 milliliters both.
Give me the 300 milliliter one. Do you have bathing soap?
Yes, many options. Which brand do you want?
Anything with a mild fragrance.
What about this green one?
That one has aloe vera. It's mild and gentle. Okay, I'll take 2 of those. Do you have small shampoo sachets?
Yes, here you go.
Give me 5 sachets. I also need a pack of detergent powder, small pack.
We have 500 grams and 1 kilogram B.
Give me the 500-gram pack. Do you have dishwashing liquid?
Yes, lemon and neem variants.
Give me the lemon one. I also need a small pack of rice. Do you have a 2 kilogram pack?
Yes, this one is good quality.
All right, I'll take it. Do you also have a 1 kilogram flour pack?
Yes, this is the 1 kilogram wheat flour.
Perfect. Give me one. I need cooking oil too. Do you have 1 liter pouches?
Yes, sunflower, soybean, and mustard oil are available.
Give me one pouch of sunflower oil. Do you have honey?
Yes, only medium sized jar is available.
Okay, give me one. And do you also have jam?
Yes, strawberry and mixed fruit.
I'll take the mixed fruit one. Do you have noodles?
Yes, we have big and small packs.
Give me 2 small packs. I also want pasta. Do you have penne pasta?
Yes, here it is.
Great, give me one pack. Do you have tea powder?
Yes, which brand would you like?
Something strong.
Try this one. It's strong and good flavor.
Okay, I'll take it. Do you have coffee?
Yes, small and medium jars.
Give me a small jar. Also, do you have salt?
Yes, regular and iodized.
Give me one iodized salt packet. Okay, now I think I'm done for real. Please make the bill.
All right, let me add everything. Your total is 1,285 rupees.
Can I pay using UPI?
Yes, here is the QR code.
All right. Scanning done. Please check.
Yes, received. Thank you very much.
Thank yous.
Please pack everything properly. Sure, here is your bag. Have a great day